Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about numericals of national income. How we can calculate the national income's numerical. There is question given. Calculate national income. Particulars are given. Net domestic capital formation equal to 150 crores. All values given in crores. Government final consumption expenditure is equal to 300 crores. Net factor income from abroad equal to minus 20. Private final consumption expenditure equal to 600. Depreciation equal to 30. Net exports equal to 50. Net indirect taxes equal to 90. Net current transfers from rest of the world is given 40 crores. So, there is given government final consumption expenditure, net domestic capital formation, private final consumption expenditure. With help of expenditure method, we can calculate national income. Okay, let us start. Expenditure method. First, we find out the GDP MP. GDP MP, gross domestic product at market price, is equal to private final consumption expenditure. Private final consumption expenditure plus government final consumption expenditure. Government final consumption expenditure plus gross domestic capital formation. Gross domestic capital formation plus net exports. Net exports. There is given the value of private final consumption expenditure is 600. Government final consumption expenditure is given 300. And at the place of the gross domestic capital formation, there is given net domestic capital formation. Net domestic capital formation plus depreciation is equal to gross domestic capital formation. Net domestic capital formation and depreciation. We put the value of net domestic capital formation and depreciation at the place of the gross domestic capital formation. Private final consumption expenditure is given 600 crores and gross government final consumption expenditure is given 300 crores plus gross domestic capital formation. At the place of the gross domestic capital formation, we put net domestic capital formation plus depreciation. 150 crores plus depreciation is 30 crores plus net exports is 50 crores. This is a 1130 crore. 600 plus 300, 900, 900 plus 100, 1050, 1130 crores. This is the value of the GDP MP. Gross domestic product at market price. Again we find out the NDP FC. When we subtracted net indirect taxes and depreciation from GDP MP, it becomes to NDP FC. NDP FC is equal to gross domestic product at market price minus depreciation minus depreciation minus net indirect taxes, we put all the values. 1130 minus depreciation 30 minus net indirect taxes 90 is equal to 1130 minus 120 is equal to 1010 crores is equal to 1010 crores. NDPFC. Again, national income is equal to NDPFC plus net factor income from abroad. National income in NPFC is equal to NDPFC plus net factor income from abroad. The value of net factor income from abroad is given minus 20 plus net factor income from abroad is equal to the value of NDPFC is 1010 crores. 1010 crores minus plus minus 20 is equal to 1010 crore minus 20 equal to 990 crores. This is your answer. This is your answer. So, let us explain again this question. In this question, there is no use of net current transfers from rest of the world. First, you find out the GDPMP by expenditure method. GDPMP is equal to private final consumption expenditure plus government final consumption expenditure plus gross domestic capital formation plus net export. In place of the gross domestic capital formation, we put the values of net domestic capital formation plus depreciation. Net domestic capital formation plus depreciation is equal to gross domestic capital formation. When we find out GDPMP, then we will find NDPFC. Net domestic factor cost is equal to gross domestic market price minus net indirect taxes minus depreciation. GDPMP में से हम लोग नेट इनडायरेक्ट टैक्स और डेप्रिसिएशन को सेपरेट करेंगे तो आपका हो जाता है एनडीपीएफसी. एनडीपीएफसी इज नोन एज द डोमेस्टिक इनकम. जब डोमेस्टिक इनकम में हम नेट फैक्टर इनकम फ्रॉम अब्रॉड को इंक्लूड करते हैं तब आपका फाइंड हो जाएगा नेशनल इनकम. तो इस तरह से हम लोग एनडीपीएफसी पहले हम डोमेस्टिक इनकम फाइंड कर लिए तो उसमें 1010 करोड़ से आपका एनडीपीएफसी है. अब इसमें हम नेट फैक्टर इनकम फ्रॉम अब्रॉड की वैल्यू जो -20 गिवन है उसको हम यहाँ पे जो है सेपरेट कर लेंगे तो आपका नेशनल इनकम की वैल्यू आ जाएगी 990 करोड़. तो इस तरह से हम क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करेंगे.